Hi friends, it's Anett again with a beautiful layout tutorial using cut files. I'm working with this gorgeous cut file from Pinkfresh Studio. It is called Floral Tile Background. I am sure you know these pilot pans that can be erased with rubbing with the back of the pan. Well, they are the perfect tool for crafters. I use it all the time because it fades away if I blow it with my heat tool. Fun, right? So I am tracing the cut file roughly with this pan because I will ink blend on the background paper under the image. I'm using really soft light colors that match the Oh What Fun collection. I'm using sky blue for the leaves and marigold for the inside of the flowers and ballet slipper for the petals. I'm working with a blending brush because it lets me create really soft edges and colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Now here comes the magic. I use my heat tool to warm it up and the lines fade away almost entirely. I could use a pencil and an eraser too, but it is so much easier and fun this way. I'm gluing down the cutout on the background. Well, this is the hardest part, but I am not too precise. I had the idea to make some embroidery stitching on the flowers, but just on the flowers, on the petals. I used chain stitching. I'm poking the holes with my piercer. Well, stitching took a little while, but I did it in the evening while watching a good movie. I think the result is so beautiful that the time was worth doing it. It is so lovely. I didn't know first how to arrange photos and embellishment not to ruin this background. Then the idea popped into my mind to use circle elements. So I went ahead and I printed my photo in circle form. I embossed a white cardstock with a folder in knit style and I punched different size circles of it. Now I am trying to find a nice arrangement for the different circles and my photo. I use a title from the Puffy phrases. I think you already see that I mainly used blue, white, yellow and light pink shades, with a little bit pops of red. I'm trying to create visual triangles with the colors. You must know that I never scrapped with having these ground rules of scrapbooking in my mind. I just went ahead with intuition. But knowing these rules is very important. It can help building your layouts, and for beginners, it is something that you can relate to. It is also important to know these rules so you can kick them off for a really interesting effect. On my layout, you can see the triangle of light blues, the dark blues, and the pink shades. You know me already, how I love dimension on layouts. So I use a lot of foam to create different heights for the circles. And that is my final layout. I really hope that you like it and you feel inspired to do something like this one. It has a lot of dimension and texture, and I managed to create with the gorgeous Pinkfresh products with the Oh What Fun collection a not really Christmassy but more a winter layout. Please like and add a little comment under the video. It makes me so happy. All the links from the used supplies you can find under there. I hope to see you in my next video too. Hit the bell button to get notification if you don't want to miss my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.